Introducing the TIG Welding Special Purpose Machine, engineered for precision and performance. With a controlled arc ignition system, this SPM ensures consistent weld quality from start to finish. A custom jig and fixture setup offers complete stability and alignment for high-accuracy welding. Smooth, repeatable welds, ideal for industrial-grade applications and production lines. Fully automated control with real-time monitoring ensures minimal human intervention. Built for durability, speed, and flawless results in demanding work environments. From concept to commissioning, IDEA Robotics delivers customized automation solutions. Partner with us to power your production with smart, scalable automation. IDEA Robotics and Innovative Solutions, where engineering meets excellence. Whether you're in fabrication, manufacturing, or automation, this is the machine that transforms productivity. Connect with IDEA Robotics today, and let's build the future of industrial automation together.